Hey everybody, how's it going? John Napolitano here with you. Just a quick note, wanted to just go over four of the common mistakes new option traders make. I get this question a lot. For those of you who don't know me, my name is John Napolitano. I've been a professional options trader for the past 2 decades. I've worked both on the institutional side as well as on the individual side where I trade my own capital. So I have experience both in the institutional world as well as the retail world as well. And just from what people are telling me, they get frustrated trading options when they're brand new at it, and a lot of people tend to quit before they even get started. So I'm going to go over the top four reasons why people tend to trip up on options. So number one, they select the wrong strike price, which is a pretty common mistake. Depending on the strategy you use, after some education, you'll realize that picking the proper strike price is extremely important. Many new option traders, they'll pick a very far out of the money option just because it's cheap. They feel that if the price accelerates and volatility increases, that they'll make some money, but oftentimes it's not the case. If you pick something too far away from where you think it might go, you will get yourself into some serious trouble, and the option will expire worthless before you have a chance to even make any money whatsoever. So that's number one. Number two, you run out of time. The time component of options is there. When you own a stock, you could leave a stock for your grandchildren. You could leave a stock for your kids. You could hold a stock for years and years and years. So when you make that transition from being a stock trader to an options trader, you run into the problem of time. You're essentially buying an ice cube. You're buying something that is expiring at some point and that will potentially become worthless. So, picking the right time frame based on your strategy at the time is extremely important. Again, rookie options traders, they will tend to pick something short in time, thinking that, it's cheaper. They'll be able to buy more contracts. And they end up, something actually ends up working in their favor. The stock actually might go up or down. The stock might actually do what they think it's going to do. But unfortunately, what happens is they run out of time. And again, the option expires worthless and they lose all their money. So that's problem number two. The third issue is that they oversize because they pick the wrong strike price and they screw up number two, which is they pick something too close in time necessarily. They tend to oversize because now they have a cheap option and they think to themselves, wow, this option only cost a couple of dollars. So now I'm going to buy 500 of them. So what happens is they oversize instead of buying the proper option with the right strike and the right time frame. They end up buying the wrong strike and the wrong time frame. They buy too many of them. So it kind of accelerates the problem of losing money very quickly. So that's the third main mistake option traders make. These things are all fixable. They're all correctable with the right education, and that's the key. The fourth and final thing I want to go over today is basically they tend to pick the wrong strategy. When a person buys a stock, you could either go long a stock or short a stock. In the options world, you can express that in many different ways. You can buy a call. You can sell a call. That's bullish and bearish. You can buy a put or sell a put. That's bearish and bullish. So there's four ways to be either bearish or bullish. All of the four things I just mentioned, buying a call, selling a call, buying a put, selling a put, those are the building blocks of every single option strategy you're ever going to make, okay, that you're ever going to do. So understanding that concept and when to use those strategies and when to know whether to be on the debit side or the credit side, for instance, are the keys to successful option trading. Just like a tool, just like a construction worker or a contractor has a lot of tools at their disposal, you have to do the same thing with options. Just buying straight calls does not work a lot of times. Just buying straight puts does not work sometimes. So you have to find the right strategy at the right time. And all of this involves having the right education. So I hope this was helpful. Again, my name is John Napolitano. I will be here to help in any way I can with Options Trading Pro. So enjoy the rest of your day and take care.